Have you ever found $1,000 in your pocket that you didn't know you had? Well, that's how I felt when I discovered this trick. Imagine this. It's a regular Tuesday. You're sifting through your emails, a cup of coffee in hand, when suddenly you notice something unusual. You've just earned $1,000, just like that, out of the blue. $1,000 richer for doing something as simple as answering questions. Questions about things you already know. Things you're passionate about. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, that's exactly what happened to me. I'm rapid growth online, and not too long ago I was right where you are now, intrigued, curious, a tad bit skeptical, but eager to learn. I had heard about people making money online, but it always seemed complex, out of reach. Then, one day, I stumbled upon a secret. A simple yet effective trick that made me $1,000 richer. Imagine earning from the comfort of your home, just by sharing your knowledge. Picture yourself answering questions on topics you love and getting paid for it. Not just pennies, but substantial amounts that can add up to a significant income. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, let me tell you, dreams do come true. I discovered 15 websites where you can earn just by answering questions. Websites that value your knowledge, your expertise, and are ready to pay for it. I'm talking about a potential income of $7,500 a month. Yes, you heard that right, $7,500 every single month. But here's the catch. I won't reveal these websites just yet. I want you to stay with me, to embark on this journey of discovery, to unravel this secret together. So are you ready to take the plunge, ready to uncover the trick that could make you $1,000 richer? Now, wouldn't you want to know how I did it? Stay with me and I'll spill the beans. I know you're eager to learn about this trick. Well, your wait is over. Let's dive right into the heart of the matter. I'm talking about the concept of earning money by answering questions online. Yes, you heard it right. It's as simple as it sounds. You answer questions and you get paid for it. Imagine making money while you're sitting on your couch, sipping your favorite coffee, and answering questions on topics you're passionate about. It's a dream come true, isn't it? But it's not just a dream. It's a reality for many, and it can be for you too. So where do you start? There are numerous websites out there that pay you to answer questions. Today I'll reveal the first 7 of these websites to you, each with its unique charm and potential for earning. First up, we have Just Answer. This platform connects experts with people who need answers to their questions. As an expert, you can make anywhere from $10 to $30 per question, depending on your area of expertise. Next, we have Wonder. This website pays you for conducting research and providing detailed answers to users' questions. If you love digging deep into topics, this one's for you. We also have Chegg Tutors, Ouija, Presto Experts, Experts 123E, and Maven. Each of these platforms has its unique payment structure and category of questions. So no matter what your area of expertise is, there's a platform for you. The potential income from these websites varies. Some people make a few $100s a month, while others, like me, make a few thousand. It all depends on how much time and effort you're willing to put into it. That's not all, folks. There are 8 more websites that you need to know about. But we'll save those for the next part of this video. So stay tuned, you won't want to miss it. Are you ready for the remaining 8 websites that can make you richer just by answering questions? Let's dive right in. Our first stop is Ask Wonder, a research website that pays you to find answers to a myriad of questions. Expect to answer inquiries about market trends, competitive landscape, and all things business. You could pocket up to $20 per completed task. Next up, we have Maven. This one's a little different. It's a micro-consulting platform where you can share your expertise and get paid for it. The more specialized your knowledge, the higher your earning potential. Weave in and out of the world of academia with Chegg Study. It's a platform where students post questions about their homework, and experts like you provide the answers. You could earn up to $20 per hour, depending on your area of expertise. Our fourth contender is Just Answer. Here you can answer questions in categories like law, mechanics, health, and more. Depending on the category, you could earn anywhere from $20 to $50 per question. Next, we have Clarity.fm. If you've got expertise in entrepreneurship or business, this is your stage. You can set your own rate, and the sky's the limit with your earnings. Sixth on the list is Ether. It works like a virtual phone line where people pay you to talk about what you know best. You set your own rate per minute or per call. Last but not least, we have Presto Experts and Experts 123. Both platforms pay you to share your knowledge in a wide range of categories. With Presto Experts, you set your own rate per minute, while with Experts 123, you can earn up to $10 per answer. And there you have it, the top 15 websites that can make you $7,500 a month just by answering questions. Let's get those gears turning and start earning. I know it sounds unbelievable, but trust me, I've been there and done that. I've walked the same path that you're about to embark on, and believe me, it's as simple as it sounds. We've journeyed through 15 websites that pay you to answer questions. We've peeled back the curtain on the secrets of earning up to $7,500 a month. And the best part? You're just sharing knowledge, answering questions, and helping others. It's the perfect blend of doing good while earning good. Now remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate way to make money online, but it requires persistence and consistency. You have to stick with it, answer questions regularly, and keep your knowledge up to date. If you found this video helpful, do like, subscribe, and share it. Remember, the key to online earning is persistence and consistency. So go ahead, start answering questions, and watch your bank balance grow.